If a man reduces the selling price of a fan from rupees 4,000 to rupees 3,800, his loss increases from X percent to X plus 4 percentage. What is the cost price of the fan? Now, the formula for loss percentage is loss upon CP into 100. Now, let's assume the cost price to be P. Now, loss is nothing but cost price minus selling price. So, our equation becomes P minus 4,000 upon P into 100 is equal to X. The second equation becomes P minus 3,800 upon P into 100 is equal to X plus 4. Okay. Now, if we subtract the first equation from the second equation, you will get on the right hand side x plus 4 minus x, that is 4, and on the right hand side you can take 100 common and you will have p minus 3,800 minus of p minus 4,000 upon p. Now, when you open the brackets, it will become p minus 3,800 minus p plus 4,000 upon p is equal to 4. So p and minus p in the numerator gets cancelled out. So you have 200 into 100 is equal to 4p. So therefore, if we solve this, we'll get the answer as p is equal to 5,000. So that's the cost price.